Meron pong report na tinanggap ang isa pong statesman na yung dalawang district engineer na-ban sa Resorts World because of money laundering. Can you confirm that?
I know what I can confirm that they have been banned. However, whether it is money laundering, I have not had the final word on it.
Mhm.
What I was told, the management of actually hindi na po Resorts, kundi Newport World,
Mhm.
the management of the Newport World had initiated a ban on these people. So it was a management discretion.
Aha.
Tulad nung pagtatanong ninyo, kahapon po ay pinatanong ko na rin at isama na sa kasagutan nila, bakit na-ban yan noong 2024 po? 2024.
2024 pa po nagsimula ang ban nitong dalawang district engineer.
Yun po ang unang ulat na natanggap ko.
Opo.
2024. I think, if I'm not mistaken, towards the second quarter. I'm not sure, no?
Mhm.
But if my memory serves me right, towards the second quarter po.
Talking about the district engineer in the first district of Bulacan, itong Hernandez at itong si Alcantara.
I do not, again, I do not have the exact alias that was
Okay.
used, Manong Ted.
Okay.
But definitely, it seems it is referring to those DPWH officials in the first engineering district of the province of Bulacan ng DPWH.
Okay, so when they were banned dito po sa Newport na ito, they transferred, they started playing somewhere else.
Well, if you will listen to the testimony of the one of the persons involved, they said they were playing until recently. Ganun po ang pagkakaintindi ko. So maliwanag po doon, from the time that they were banned in Newport World, then obviously they had moved to another casino, Manong Ted.
Yes, sir. And dito ho sa kung mismong yung inyong licensee ang nagbibigay ng fake ID doon sa dito po sa isang government official para lang ho makapaglaro sa kanilang casino, ano ang maximum, anong pwedeng kaharapin ng licensee na penalty?
Definitely they will be fined. On the first round of violation, there is a fine already. So now as to the gravity, ang sunod-sunod na po dyan is a fine on the first offense, palaki ng palaki yung fine, and then there is suspension, and then there will be, kung talagang tuloy-tuloy at regular ang violation, then there is a chance that there is revocation of a license.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami. Hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa-Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!